We're sitting here on the BD6225HT. If you were to call it a CNC Marine, our hull number is 6210HT, which just pretty much indicates the style of hull that it is, and that it's 6.2 CNC Marine length. It's actually a 7.15 overall. That doesn't include engine or anything. Standard would be, we'd usually do say like a 5mm hull on something like this, but this has a 6mm hull, 4mm sides, 4mm deck. Yeah, we're 2.5 beam, which gives you plenty of space back here to comfortably fish 4 people. Still having like a big cabin at the front, and where you can sleep, you probably comfortably sleep 3 people in there.
Yeah.
If you sort of had the center.
Yeah, if you can build it, yeah.
Yeah, you have a full chem toilet in the front if you wanted, or just have it open for extra gear. On the back, we've got a 250 Mercury. The max for this boat is 250, and it suits it pretty well, having the 250 on there. We've got a 250 litre fuel tank with a almost 180, 200 litre kill tank, if you want to use it for that. And then we've got another 80 litre auxiliary tank, which you could use for water or extra fuel in the center here. So we've got a fridge under this side. And I mean, you could have 2 fridges or use it for storage. Yeah, sort of all your sort of batteries and everything at the back, and sort of the walk-through transom on one side. But I mean, I guess you could change that however you want. Yep. This particular one has a lot of the Blue Dog flair on it, a lot more Blue Dog styling and everything. So, and it's a bit more spec'd up because of that. So on trailer, we're roughly 2.5 ton. So quite good for like towing with your sort of Hilux or whatever. That's an easy tow. Quite manageable, as like Andre was talking about earlier. It's definitely designed to suit more an easier tow, where you can load up the ute, load up the boat with gear and everything, and go for a big trip and not be worried about that you're going to be overweight. Lots of the times people will get those sort of boats and they'll put them right on that sort of like 3.5 ton limit, but then you can't put anything else in the boat, or like in your truck or whatever when you're sort of going somewhere. So this is kind of that sort of perfect boat for that. Also quite manageable for one person, really, or just kind of a perfect couple's boat. Yeah. But definitely couple or small family, and it would be great as a small family boat. Yeah. Because you do have plenty of room. You could definitely get swags on this back deck and be comfortable, and then still have plenty of room inside for sleeping. The hull is it's funny what we would call this as a dead rise. Realistically, it should be called something like a 19-20 degree dead rise, but it's quite a variable hull. So you got a couple of meters further forward of the transom, just like a meter further forward of the transom, you're already at 19-20 degrees, and then it gets quite sharp right at the front, like right at midships where you're actually landing the boat. So super smooth ride because of that. But then the way we've done it is it actually tapers in a lot and flattens out a bit right at the transom to give you that nice running surface, so that you've got efficiency for that. So it actually comes back into close to like 16 degrees.
All right, so up here in the Helm station, we've got a 16-inch Simrad NSS 4. This is brand new to the market. I'm still trying to get used to it all, but I'm loving it so far. We've got the Mercury gauge. We're running the 300 zip wakes. First time I've been out on one with zip wakes on it. Still getting used to it, but I think I'm loving it. Really nice feature. And then we've got this custom dash panel here. We've got all our switching on it. We've got saltwater pickup. We've got fresh water out of the tank. We've got obviously all your lighting and nav lights, all that kind of stuff. Gunnel lights, front light bar, all that. It's all nicely laid out there, ready to go for you, make it easy. We've got the binnacle control. I personally think you can get a bit more control over your throttle in a following sea and all that kind of stuff with a binnacle instead of a side mount. That's why we've designed that like that. And then yeah, we've got these nice Helm seats and a footrest at the perfect height so you can sit there and drive and just chill.